to Cagayan de Oro! Welcome ulit!
Spit Manila! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nagbo-board na po kami. Pero meron siyang expo. Ay, hindi pala, that's secret. Dito na lang tayo.
No, it's okay. It's my own personal stuff.
Ah, okay.
Lapit na lang. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes!
I'm sending out reminder emails to tomorrow's audience.
Hindi pa sent?
It's in the process.
In the process.
I
Let's go.
automated.
Let's go.
Dito si Missy gagawin na picture, picture, tapos pag may ibang tao gaganto yung mga iba, yung tao na hindi naman namin kakilala nakaganto sa sila. Wow.
Try ko lang. I'm just trying a 0.5 vlog. Yaka! We're roomies again for Cagayan de Oro.
And, you know,
Sumakses tayo. Look at us, looking like professionals. Looking like professionals.
looking like professionals.
We have 1 hour before they pick us up for dinner, so power nap muna tayo. Good night.
Ano yan, Pia?
Tinangguan. Tapos may kinilaw.
Sige, pakita mo.
Look at that.
Kinilaw.
Look at that beautiful thing.
Ano ba iba?
We have here air and air.
In the air. But of course we have, nakatago pa, but the lechon is here.
His name is Marvin.
I do.
Then,
His name was Marvin. He's going to be delicious. Yes. Very excited to have Marvin here.
Naawa ako. So, hindi ka kain.
For having us.
Ito ang tinatawag natin lechon na sinasabi ng lahat ng mga taga-CTO na ito ang the best lechon sa Pilipinas. So malalaman natin tonight kung ito ba talaga. Diba? Pero mukhang promising.
Welcome to CDO, where crunchy, double outstanding meat of lechon. CDO, crunchy double outstanding lechon is here. If we try this, for example, excuse me, can we get a piece of you?
Kunin mo na yung lahat.
Not that
Okay.
one. The one top.
This is of course a sample of the tibia fibula.
wow!
Oh, kasi pampalakalang yata yun. Oo. This one is a crunchy double outstanding CDO.
Yummy!
Oh, wow. You will forget your name.
So, sino mas masarap? Yan o si...
Pwede ba natin sagutin yun? Pagbalik na. Daba! Ako din.
Ha?
Sisi yun.
Papato ko talaga sa iyo, ha?
May glassware ha? Ayun.
Isa pa.
Ako naman. Ay, okay. Naku, creative food.
Don't do that at home, kids.
Kakainin mo rin naman eh.
Pwede! Hawakan yung iba. Okay. Kukunin ka ba ito eh?
Sumber.
Ako.
Well dressed.
Nangyari.
Yakapin nyo.
Hanggang dun lang.
Grabe, Dimple, akala nila yung puto na yung dessert. Papayag ka yun, yung tingin sa'yo. Nakala nila yun na yung dessert. Papayag ka yun. Mamaya may show pa tayo.
Caramel. Kasi amazing. Wow! Look at that. Beautiful.
Bibay, wahafen.
Kahapon, sobrang init sa airport. Sobrang init. Nagkaroon ako ng bungang araw. Hindi nyo makita, pero magaspang yan. May bungang araw ako. At 40x years old. What's up? Sister, anong feeling mo today?
Busog pa dun sa lechon at dinuguan. Pero gutom for breakfast.
What happened, Monica?
What happened? I got my period.
We are super excited because nung nalaman natin na may sauna sa hotel na to, I'm like, yes, of course we're gonna do it.
And we are doing it.
We are doing it.
We are sweating it out.
We are going to release them stress.
And we're gonna see you there.
We're gonna see you there. See you there. Right here. Hey! Oh, medyo mainit na siya. We're going in there. How are you feeling right now, Angelica? Are you excited?
I am feeling prepared.
Prepared.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that Ember.
Get in
Ember! Alright.
Here! Yes! Right there, hit the board! Yes! You're doing so good, guys. Keep those hips forward. Come on. That's it right there. Come on. Can you go lower? Yes. Don't lose this. Yes. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back.
Yes. Pwede maglagay muna ng gamit doon. Pwede rin.
Let's do it.
Let's do it to apologize.
Let's do it to apologize. Yeah.
Nararamdaman nila yung
Oh.
Isang show, live ka.
Isang show maglalaro sa
Sa kagabi ka.
Si Papa ba yung first life?
Hindi ka na rin ito number.
So, ikaw ang music sa gabi.
1, 2.
Live.
Ito number sila.
10 runs on the artist.
Sa bumalik kayo mo sa gabi?
Sa gabi.
So, meron sa hapon.
Oo.
Ay, lahat ng backstage. Lahat ng apat na backstage na.
Oo, yung apat
na players sa gabi. Sorry. Kayo na players sa hapon, nasa gabi na kayo na.
Yung mag-design mo.
Tandyakan mo. Kaya ako nag-mute ako.
sa aming video. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Bawasan, pwede mo ba, asin malakas? Pag i-mute ko nawala. Sa speakers lang siya talaga.
Just got back to our room after our 2-show day here in CDO. Sobrang wild ng CDO audience. At may mga dumalo mula sa mga ibang lugar pati. As far as Zamboanga, meron rin mga taga-Iligan. Super love namin ang audience dito. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nagparty pa kami sa baba, may banda sa baba ng hotel, and sumayaw pa ang mga tita nyo. Ang pinakatita ay ang punso namin si Angelica na uminom ng tsaa. It's been a long day but very fulfilling. We had so much fun entertaining the northern Mindanao region, and daghang salamat sa inyong lahat, at wow, what a day. And tomorrow we head back to Manila, and wow, just wow. Good night everyone.